Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This week I'm going to be working with the Gears and Textures bundle. So there's stamps and dies, and these are the stamps. And to be honest, I'm still trying to figure out what this one is. It's this one right here. It looks like it might be part of a gear or a spoke, or maybe it's the end of a pencil. I'm not 100% sure. So if you've got any ideas, you go right ahead and let me know what you think it is. But the stamps include this scatter dot one, this set of lines. There's a couple of gears in here. There's a big splatter. There's some chevrons and some lines. And then we've got different types of screw. We've got a Phillips and a slotted screw. And then we've got this really, I love this. And I'm trying to come up with some unique ways to use it. And then we've got this little cross hatching here. And then we've got this strip that's a stamp, this one that's a stamp, and this one that's a stamp. And we have this die, and this die, which will all cut out. These two, you can either cut the outline out, or you can cut it out as links here, like this. And this ladder one, or film strip one, the die will cut this out as well, or you can cut it out like this. This one here, there's a die to cut that out as well, so you can stamp it and cut it out, or you can just cut it out of paper. And then we've got this solid piece here, the rectangle, that we can die cut out. You can cut, around these shapes if you want to. And then we've got this crosshatch die. It's almost like chain link fence. We've got some gears. And what I love about these gears is this circle one here, you get your outline and you get the center. This one here that looks almost like a flower will cut out this one like this. So that will fit on that one to cut out. This one will fit on this one, and you can actually cut it out with all of the spokes. So we've got the stamp here, and the die can go over top and cut out all of those individual pieces, so you're left with kind of just the stamped pieces. And then this one, I'm having a look at this one, because I think this one will go over this as well, like that, but it will cut the center out. So that one, although it will work with this one, might not be what we want to use with that one. But again, we get as another circle. So we get a secondary shape from the die as well. And these ones, all the little bits that come out of the middle, if you want to make a shaker card, save your pieces from the middle because they're perfect for shaker cards. This one will give you polka dots. This one gives you a dot in the center as well. This one here will cut out your screw head shapes. And we do have a die for the screw head that gives you the X here. Like it gives you the negative and the positive kind of thing. So you can do an individual X, or you can just do this shape here. This one has lots of little detail on it. And it doesn't actually match any of the die or the stamps, but you've got a really nice stitched piece in here. And this one, I don't know what to call this one, whether it's an old-fashioned kind of drill, whether it's a screwdriver, or whether it's a chalk line piece. But this piece, there's two dies, and you can do the base out of one color and the other one out of the other color. And you can make like the handle a different color. So this is kind of almost a two-step die. So we've got that. And then we've got this really big gear here. So we can absolutely stack things. Like we could stack this gear on top of this one, and then we could stamp this one and stack it on top of that one. So as we're building, as we're using our pieces and building our cards or our scrapbook pages, this set is perfect for scrapbooking with all the different pieces and lots of different things that you can do with it. If you wanted to do a lattice card or a woven card, this is perfect for cutting strips out to weave together. I've done a practice card. I wanted to have a little bit of a play, and I think I've used most of the stamps. I haven't used this one, or this one. But I've done the kind of the ladder, the film strip stamp. I've done the chain stamp, this one, this one, this one, this one. And just created something. I was just having a little bit of a play and a little bit of a practice. So we're going to do something similar to this for a card on our video that's coming up next. But I'm going to, instead of just stamping, I'm going to actually die cut those pieces out so that there's a little bit more kind of depth to the card. And for this week, I'm going to be using the Simply Said greetings because I think that they go really, really well with this. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for that first card idea.